taking a deep breath. Listening into the birds, piano, and connecting to your heartbeat. Bring your attention inwards, imagining like you are a bird in a nest, feeling the nest's protection and that deep sense of safety and comfort. Breathe into that sense. Let it surround you, hug you, bring warmth and ease. Feeling a lightness move through your body as the music shifts. Feeling a softness. Staying connected to your breath. Watching your belly rise up to the sky. And let it gently fall back towards your spine. From this place, you can start by really tuning into the weight of your body, shifting from that lightness into a softening, deepening of your bones, your muscles, imagining your cells falling down with gravity. The more we can relax and deepen into the earth, the more we can surrender to ourselves. Bringing your attention to your feet, letting your toes and the arches and heels of your feet deepen more into the earth. Perhaps sensing a vibration, allowing them to soften and surrender. And allowing that movement to move up our legs, over our calves, shins, and allow them to drop, soften, melt into the earth. Bringing that same focused attention up to our knees and thighs, and again releasing, softening. letting go of anything that doesn't serve us. Let it go. Staying connected to our breath, feeling the rise of our belly and the slow fall. Continuing to release, moving into your bum, and again letting go of any muscle that's clenching. Let it just melt away. The earth is supporting you, and you can trust. Starting to relax your fingers, wrists. Move it up to your arms, shoulders. And at this point, feeling a nice, soft breeze pushing down on your chest, heart, belly button. Feeling the softness in your upper torso, allowing your spine to soften and melt into the earth, relaxing your neck and your throat, feeling space widen inside, open channel. And letting your skull, so heavy, let it go. Let your brain relax. Just fill it with golden light. Relaxing the jaw, the tongue, your eyes, eyebrows, cheekbones, nose, ears. Full surrender. As this meditation comes to a close, stay connected to this feeling. It's within you.